In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the developer tools for Safari iPhone. Firstly, we're going to go to App Store and download this app here, devtools extension. This is the extension for Safari. Just download and open it. And it gives you the instructions that you have to go to settings page of iPhone and go to Safari. Currently, I'm on the settings page of iPhone. Scroll down and we're going to go to Safari here from the settings. Scroll on the Safari settings and we're going to find the extensions, tap on extensions. And we have got our devtools extension, tap on it and enable the devtools extension. Scroll down here and under the permissions, we're going to tap on all websites and tap on allow. Now the settings has been done. Go to Safari once again. Now inside the Safari, we have got this devtools button at the bottom right side. Tap on this button and this gives you the developer tools for Safari. You can tap on this button once again to hide the developer tools console. In order to disable this button from the Safari, tap on this extension button at the URL box. Scroll down here, tap on manage extensions and disable this extension here. Tap on done and we're gonna refresh the page. So now the developer tools button has gone. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.